In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices in Xero by Shopify. We're going to use Make, an automation platform, to connect your Shopify store to Xero so that every new order can automatically generate a clean, consistent invoice. This saves time, reduces manual data entry, and keeps your bookkeeping tidy. Start by opening Make in your browser and signing up or logging in. If you're new, follow the prompts to create your workspace. Once you land on the dashboard, you're ready to build the automation. Create a new scenario. This opens the visual canvas where you'll add the apps and define how data moves between them. Give your scenario a clear name so it's easy to find later, and save regularly as you go. Search for Shopify on the canvas and add it as your trigger app. Choose the Watch Orders module. This tells Make to monitor your store for new orders. Connect your Shopify account by following the secure authorization flow. Then pick the store you want to use. In the module settings, set where to start watching from. If you only want invoices for future sales, select from now on. You can also choose which order statuses to include, such as paid or fulfilled, depending on your accounting policy. Next, add Xero as the action app. Search for Xero and pick Create an Invoice. Authorize the connection to your Xero organization and confirm the company you want to post to. Now map the data from Shopify to Xero. For the contact, use the customer's name and email from the order. Set the invoice date to the order creation date and choose an appropriate due date, like a set number of days after issue. Use the Shopify order number as your reference so it's easy to trace. Under line items, map each product from the Shopify order. Bring over the item name, quantity, and unit price and select the correct income account in Xero. If you charge tax, map the tax rate that matches your Shopify configuration. Don't forget extras like shipping and discounts. Add them as separate lines with the right accounts and tax treatment. Link the modules so the Shopify output feeds the Xero fields. Then save and run the scenario once to test with a recent order. Check the run log for any mapping errors and confirm the invoice appears in Xero as expected. When everything looks good, turn the scenario on so it runs automatically moving forward. That's it. You've set up a reliable workflow where new Shopify orders create invoices in Xero with minimal effort and maximum accuracy.